What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the animation named Thunder God, and here we will only use one picture and this is 100% for free. How to create that one? It is very simple, so without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is the DreamFace, and don't forget to do the login first with your email, because they will also give you actually 2 credits and it will be renewed every single week. And also this will be the look of the DreamFace homepage. And after that you will see a lot of tools down here, not only to create the animation video but also do the photo editing guys. And to create the Thunder God, here I will click this AI video, and after that you can choose the template from this section or this section, which one do you prefer. And after that you can continue to click template, and I will click this section, and after that I will start to scroll down and find the Thunder God animation. And this will be the template we will use over here. And the next step is you need to upload the picture that usually provides the face gesture or the face picture, and also it will be better if the picture show the full face. And kindly wait until the picture being uploaded in this section. And to create this animation, this will consume 1 credit, and as you can see, this will be the credit, and also this is the rest of the credit I have, since I have ever tried to do the generation process. And after that, the picture, if the picture has been uploaded, it will be shown in this section, and the button over here will be turn the blue. And after that you can continue to click create, and kindly wait for the generation process, and kindly wait for the result. And after waiting for maybe 30 seconds until 1 minute, so the video will be ready like this. You can simply click this, and isn't that cool, right? It's kind of the eye is kind of lighting, and also the hair is got straightening like this or straight up. And after that you can also simply download it if you like it, and you can share it into your favorite social media. That's so the picture or the animation is already saved. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this DreamFace or Thunder God template. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.